Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. 5G and 6G will change consumers' life with Metaverse and artificial intelligence. The world continues to witness more innovations and use cases leveraging 5G technology. 5G and even 6G technology is at the core of emerging technologies such as Metaverse, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and more that are set to disrupt the world. In the coming days, we will witness artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, 5G, and blockchain may converge to power the Metaverse. The Metaverse concept has wide sweeping potential. On one level, it could be a 3D social media channel with messaging targeted perfectly to every user by artificial intelligence. That's the Meta vision, Meta formerly known as Facebook. It also has the potential to be an all-encompassing platform for information, entertainment, and work like social space and live network space where games, music, movies, and anime intersect. The Metaverse is one where people come together to share time and space, a virtual concert. With the invention of the 6G network, which is capable of delivering speeds of 1 terabyte per second or 8,000 gigabits per second, 5G and immersive technology is fundamentally changing the way we live, work, and consume information and media. Now it's the time to bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds. Consumers are eyeing towards newer experiences with gaming. With 5G rolling out and mobile and cloud gaming on the rise, opportunities to further expand the gaming market are mounting. 97% of executives in a new study believe the gaming industry is central to the development of the Metaverse, and 48% said Metaverse will change gaming company business models and drive revenue while also giving brands new opportunities to build relationships with their customers. Today's networks are often not up to speed, and even when downloadable games are used which need minimal bandwidth, games still need very low latency to be enjoyable. For service providers, app coverage for low latency demanding services needs to be on the table when planning for and launching a gaming service targeting mobile use. 6G, that is 6th generation wireless, is the successor to 5G cellular technology. The 6G technology market is expected to facilitate large improvements in the areas of imaging, presence technology, and location awareness. Working in conjunction with artificial intelligence, the 6G computational infrastructure will be able to identify the best place for computing to occur. This includes decisions about data storage, processing, and sharing. Though the 6G network is still non-existent and is just in a research phase, enterprises have started envisioning state-of-the-art wireless use cases with 6G technology after successful comparison of 5G versus 6G network. The main aim is to transition into the new era of wireless technology and bring on new innovations to transform the world in the upcoming years. This new age technology is certainly going to give new dimensions to the way we are living or doing our business virtually today and in the post-COVID era, making it a hyper-connected world. The key distinction between current technology and the Metaverse is the immersive possibilities the Metaverse offers, which is why Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and others are investing so heavily in it. It may also become the next version of the internet. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Prime Minister Modi and President Joe Biden to hold bilateral talks during Tokyo Quad Meet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold bilateral talks with US President Joe Biden in the Quad Leaders Summit in Tokyo. Both leaders are expected to review the India-US strategic partnership and follow up on discussions held during Prime Minister Modi's bilateral meeting with President Joe Biden last year. They will also exchange views on regional and global developments of shared interest. Prime Minister Modi is also likely to hold a bilateral meeting with his Australian counterpart and Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. The Quad Summit provides an opportunity for the leaders to exchange views about developments in the Indo-Pacific region and contemporary global issues of mutual interest. VMware releases patches for new vulnerabilities. VMware has issued patches to contain 2 security flaws impacting Workspace ONE access, Identity Manager, and vRealize automation that could be exploited to backdoor enterprise networks. The first 2 flaws concern an authentication bypass that could enable a threat actor with network access to the UI to gain administrative access without prior authentication. The other bug is a case of local privilege escalation that could enable an attacker with local access to elevate privileges to the root user on vulnerable virtual appliances. 5G to contribute $450 billion in next 15 years. Piyush Goyal said 5G will contribute $450 billion to the Indian economy in the next 15 years, and the launch of indigenous 5G testbed will be a milestone towards Atmanirbhar Bharat in telecom. It will help in digitizing the economy, boosting the startup ecosystem, improving governance, ease of living and ease of doing business in the country. The aim of Atmanirbhar Bharat is to make the country and its citizens independent and self-reliant in all senses. Investors lose over rupees 6.71 lakh crores as global markets crash. Equity investors became poorer by over rupees 6.71 lakh crores as domestic benchmark indices fell amid a global market meltdown. The 30-share BSE benchmark Sensex tanked 1,416.30 points or 2.61% to settle at 52,792.23, tracking weak global markets and persistent foreign fund outflows. The market capitalization of BSE listed firms tumbled by rupees 6,71,051.73 crores to stand at rupees 2.49 crores. India's 5G stack to be ready by September to October, says Ashwini Vaishnaw. Speaking at an event organized by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Communications Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said India's own 5G stack will be ready around September to October, and further urged nations to look actively at these indigenous telecom stacks for cost and quality advantage. The minister also noted that bridging the digital divide has become even more crucial in a world where technology is playing a key role in economic development, further saying that the government is directing all its efforts to ensure inclusive growth. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.